Have you ever had that split-second panic where you realize a major bill was due yesterday, only to remember you set up autopay months ago? It's a great feeling, but after years of banking with Ally, I've learned that set it and forget it is actually a recipe for disaster if you don't set it up the right way. When I first started using Ally's auto-debit for my car payments and utilities, I treated it like a magic button. But I quickly realized that the timing of the debit is just as important as the payment itself. The absolute best practice I've found is to align your auto-debit dates with your spending buckets in your Ally spending account. Instead of just letting the money fly out of your main balance, I create a specific bucket for bills and use the distribute feature to fund it as soon as my paycheck hits. This way, I can see exactly what's left for fun money without worrying about accidentally spending the rent. Another trick I use is the early warning system. I don't just rely on the auto-debit. I set up Ally's text alerts to notify me 5 days before a scheduled payment. It gives me a buffer to double-check that my balance is sufficient, especially for those variable utility bills that can spike in the summer. One thing to watch out for is the difference between auto pay through the Ally Auto Portal and bill pay through the spending account. If you're paying off an Ally car loan, always use the auto pay feature inside the vehicle dashboard. It's more direct and helps you avoid the processing delays that sometimes happen with third-party check-cutting services. Lastly, always schedule your debits for at least 2 business days before the actual due date. I've seen enough processing delays over holiday weekends to know that on time is sometimes too late in the banking world. By giving yourself that 48-hour cushion, you protect your credit score from technical glitches that are completely out of your control. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.